In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer project ownership to someone else in Lovable AI. We'll move through the exact clicks and add practical tips so your handoff is smooth and secure. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Lovable and press Enter. In the results, click the official Lovable website to launch the platform. If you're not signed in yet, log in so you can access your dashboard. Make sure you're using the account that currently owns the project. Only the owner or someone with the necessary permissions can transfer ownership. On your dashboard, locate the project you want to hand off and click it to open it. In the right sidebar, click the project name to bring up the detailed view. From here, select Settings. Inside Settings, choose Project Settings to reach the controls that affect the project itself. Within Project Settings, find the section labeled Transfer. This area is specifically designed to move ownership from you to another user while keeping the project, its data, and its configuration intact. Click Transfer to begin. When the transfer dialog opens, enter the recipient's email address or their user ID. Pause and double-check for typos or extra spaces. The system relies on this information to route the transfer notification and grant ownership to the correct account. It's best to confirm ahead of time that the person already has a Lovable account, that you're using the address tied to that account, and, if your workspace enforces organization-only transfers, that they're part of the same organization. When all details look right, click Confirm Transfer. You'll typically see a confirmation prompt. Read it carefully and proceed only when you're certain. Ownership changes can affect who manages permissions, deployments, and billing, so this final check matters. Once confirmed, Lovable will automatically notify the new owner that they now control the project. To avoid delays, send the recipient a quick message through your usual communication channel so they know to look for the notification and accept the change. After the transfer, your role may shift to a collaborator with reduced access, depending on your workspace settings. If you still need ongoing access, coordinate with the new owner to assign the appropriate role. If the recipient doesn't see the notification, have them refresh their dashboard and check spam or filtered folders. Then verify that the address you entered matches their account exactly. If you spot a mistake before confirming, cancel and correct it. If it's already confirmed, contact support with the time of transfer for help. And that's it. You've successfully transferred project ownership in Lovable AI, clearly and confidently.